Hello, my beautiful friends. Do you like pasta? Here you can see a skillet of baked ziti pasta. It looks appetizing. I must say from the beginning that I've liked pasta since childhood. My father used to make cheese pasta for me. He could cook exceptionally. He was a chef and his food was exceptional. He was very appreciated as a cook and as a person. He was humorous and optimistic. Let's begin eating. I will cut it now. This is how it looks. I am already eating this food just by looking at it. This recipe is a Mediterranean Italian food. It contains ziti or penne pasta, lots of cheese of different kinds, marinara sauce, olive oil, garlic, condiments. It is made in layers: pasta, sauce, cheese. The pasta is boiled before. Yummy. It looks good and the taste is delicious. Yes. I think this food is a win. How about you? Please comment your opinions about this food. Very good. It is also very healthy. Did you know that pasta has a lower glycemic index than bread, potatoes, and even rice? If you haven't tried this food yet, you must eat it. It is delicious. Very good. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.